Hey guys, so, oh wow, that sun's bright. Here's that better. So we're on site today. I just had to go get some pictures of something up there. I got some exciting news, but we're on site today running the EGO CS2005, I think the number is. It's the 20-inch, comparable to a 50cc saw, a 55cc saw. So we're gonna give it its first good workaround today. Then we're going to talk about that guy right there. Woo. The Caterpillar tracks in this road are horrendous, but I guess they keep you going slow, don't they? But all right, I'm gonna back in up here. I'm gonna get all set up, and then we'll see you on the saw. All right, we're gonna continue cutting up this stuff right here with this new EGO saw. See how far it goes. What happened down? Something happened down there. I'm gonna have to go look at that. Something came down. Something I realized, guys, and I thought about this morning, and I really need to do better. I make these videos, and I don't use safety equipment. Hardly, you know, I use my gloves, and I've got, you know, but I should be, like today, I'm running a power saw. I should have my chaps, I should have everything and use it, and I don't. Not a lot of people watch my videos, but enough do to where I should be making a better example. Unfortunately, I forgot the stuff today, even though I thought about it, and I thought, I gotta bring it, I gotta start doing better, and then I forgot it. But one thing, or two things, are these two guys right here. Got my little first aid kit. It's not going to do much, but it'll help a little. And my fire extinguisher. So these two things should be the first thing to come out of the truck and be ready to go. What bothers me about this one, excuse me, is I didn't know where it was. So I just looked in my truck, and it was on my passenger floor, or I'm sorry, driver floorboard, on the other side of this bag. So I couldn't get it out. I couldn't get in there and get it out. I had to pull the bag. I had to pull stuff out of the truck to get to it. Shouldn't be like that. It should be accessible, ready to go, regardless, all times, just in case. So anyway, now that that's said, let's get on it and see what this thing can do. All right, I think I'm going to start over there. Get our battery in, and we're going to use the battery this saw came with, the 6 amp. Set it on high speed. All right. This thing truly is impressive, guys. I'm usually not a battery saw type of person. You know, I've used them, but I like my gas. But this thing is just, it truly impresses me. So it keeps going down 1 bar. Look at that. Keeps going down 1 bar, and then as soon as I stop messing with it, the bar comes back. So I really want to go through a couple batteries today and see how it's, you know, how it does with battery. I like it. Only, I don't know if you guys, can you guys see that? Only down 1 bar. Yeah, you can see that. 1 bar on the battery. I think this is going to be a very welcome addition to the arsenal. Bring it back to the truck. We made several cuts. Get my compressor fired up. I'm making a mess everywhere, and we'll look this all over. One thing that concerns me slightly is it getting enough oil? Is it getting any oil? And if it is it enough? I mean, our tank's full. See, we're full of oil in there. But just from what I'm used to, looks really dry. It's almost got some like burn looking marks on there, and they're warm, so I don't know. I guess I'm used to saws just leaking oil everywhere, and maybe this one just doesn't leak. I don't know. I like the screen, but I don't like how you have to turn it on. Light's gonna come in handy, huh? All right, we'll get back to it. I'm gonna try making a couple cuts in eco mode, just so you guys can see how that is. What I need to do is clean my work area up a little bit. I'll do that in a minute though. Alright, this is, right? Yeah, this is eco mode. Now this is kind of in the middle. And here's where we were, full power. I mean, I guess if you were cutting all day, eco mode would be good, but I can't see, I hope we didn't go down into the dirt. I can't see any real other reason to use eco mode. All right, let me get this cleaned up. Ow. See if I can drag it from the other side. Got these little nubs on it, but I don't know how much I should trust them. All right. Put a dent in my fender. Did you guys see that little mouse just now? Came out of here from somewhere. I got rid of my little nubs to push this thing, or to pull it. see, it just went back up. When I'm running it, it's going down to only 2 bars left. But then when I stop, it jumps back up. That's weird. I don't want to hit that big hunk of iron with my new saw. See, it says 2 bars, now it just went up to 3. Probably go back up to 4 in a minute. The oiler does have me worried. I don't think it's getting enough. It's getting some, but I don't think it's getting enough. We're almost done with this pile. The battery light shows 2 bars. This one's showing 4, where the battery itself's only showing 2. I mean, I guess it's just a gauge. It's not. Take it for what it's worth, right? Oh, with the brake on. That's good. I got that one more piece over there. Well, what are you guys at? Oh, 10 minutes. I mean, you could see the glistening of the oil here, so it's getting it, but oh, I need to adjust this chain. Yeah, I need to adjust the chain. We'll get it blown off, adjusted. This battery's showing down to 1 bar, although the screen is showing us at 2. So like I said, I'm sure that's just a gauge, but look at everything I got cut up. That's pretty neat. All right, I'm gonna clean it up, adjust it, and then we got some stuff down here to deal with. All right, got it pretty much all cleaned up. The battery's blinking red now. That one hurt. That one came down and got me right on top of the foot. Yeah, see, it's telling me I got 2 bars left, if you can see that. But you can see my battery's telling me it's kaput. That's not too bad. We've been cutting for an hour on a bat. I mean, look. And remember, some of this, so there's that piece that I stuck the saw in. So from that piece, that way, that's what we've cut today. That is not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, I gotta go look down there now. Yeah, it was just what I saw up there. It was just part of that tree. So here's the announcement, guys. Remember this big tree we've been looking at for a year? We're gonna cut this tree up. I'm gonna make its own series. We're gonna cut it up, haul it off. The series is gonna be 2 different things. Number 1, it's gonna be seeing if this one down pine tree can heat my house all winter. I mean, there's going to be a lot of wood in there, guys, so I don't know how much. I haven't been doing it long enough to be able to tell that, but we're going to see if this one tree can heat my house all winter. If not, how long can it? And number 2, we're going to cut it up only with the new EGO 20-inch power saw. So that's definitely going to be a series you guys are not going to want to miss. I'm going to put it on its own playlist. I'm not sure how I'm going to work it out just yet, but I'm excited. I want to start cutting on it today, but there's just I gotta slow down. Gotta take my time. But all right, we got a little bit more. Looks like some pigs have been rutting around down here. Definitely looks like they come through the wash down here, and looks like they've been rutting around under this tree. All right, so we got a few little sticks here to cut up, and then it's down the road we go. We got a lot done today, guys. Look at that. Now I just got to come back at some point in time and put all this wood in the back of that truck and haul it off. So I'm running the 5-amp battery now, and the 5-amp battery will only allow me to go into speed 2. That's the next one up above eco mode. Not ideal, but that's all we can do. I mean, I could put the 7.5, but we're not going to be here long enough to really use anything on it. So let's face it, this second speed, this is more than enough. Poison oak down there. I'll stay away from that today. That tree over here needs to come down. I mean, one way or another it's coming down. Whether I help it, I don't know if I want to. You guys see that? I don't think you could see that. Bring you over there. That one right there. It's just a dead twig sticking up into the sky. But here's what's gonna happen. I think I'm gonna cut it down here. It's gonna, as it starts falling, because it's heavy leaning that way, but as it starts falling, it's gonna hit that live tree up there and then break, and this stuff's gonna fall back, boom, right on top of you. So, and look, this guy's hanging way over the road, right over my truck. So that's we're not doing it today, but hopefully Mother Nature takes care of it for us, and then all we have to do is cut it up and deal with it. But I don't know. I want to learn. Oh, I got a couple pieces here I got to cut up too. I want to learn how to start dealing with stuff like that. I mean, I not only because it's a service I can offer, but because it's fun. I enjoy it. It's so nice out here. All right, I'm not getting paid to see how nice it is. Let's get back to work. So yeah, I don't know. One thing I don't know about this saw is it's really not using any oil. And I mean, maybe that's air compressor turned on. No reason for that to keep going on. So I don't know, maybe it's using it. I've always erred on the side of caution and figured oil's cheap, chains are expensive. So I've always turned my oilers way up, but maybe it's unnecessary. Alright guys, well, I think this is where we're gonna end it. This saw's done. What the hell? Sorry, heck. Something dropping acorns on me over here. Saw's performed unbelievably. I'm super pleased with it. I don't think we used anything. Yeah, we didn't even use anything on that battery. Can you see that? I think you can see that, maybe. Oh, it shows one bar gone down there. But I think this is where we're gonna end it. Got a lot of wood stacked up here. Yeah. I'm gonna do a little bit more work cleaning up around here. No reason for you guys to watch that, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a million, everyone.